Laura and Sylvie, welcome to VMware Explore Singapore, the second of the VMware Explore events this season. I'm super excited to be here as an employee host in Asia Pac. So Laura, tell me, this is like my first time being here, so I'm super excited. What's some things that we can look forward to as first-time attendees?
Well, first of all, welcome. Everyone should experience VMware Explore season, and so it's great that you're our host. And being here for the first time, you have to do it all. And you start with the Gen session, you go to the solution keynotes, go hear about those topics you really want to know about. There are so many sessions to go to. Check out hands-on labs, get your hands on to what it is that we're doing. Go out there, network, meet friends, just get out there and experience it all.
That sounds amazing and super helpful. There's lots of sessions. Sylvie, what's one thing that attendees can take away? What's the one message?
So for me, it's the second time around here, and I have to say VMware is really taking it to the next level. We are definitely driving the epic platform of the future. Applications, multi-cloud, AI, super exciting.
And finally, what's one thing you can't live without at Explore?
So I definitely recommend comfortable shoes.
Okay, definitely. And what about you, Sylvie?
You know what? It's not even 12 o'clock yet. We've got nearly 3,000 people here, 130 plus sessions, and tomorrow, spring one. So for me, Red Bull to keep with the high energy we've got here.
Sounds awesome. Thank you so much.
Thank you.